Alright, welcome back to the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna start fucking working back on this shit. Just gonna work with the right head for tonight, most likely. Just soak as much of it, just get some literally barbecue lighter fluid. I'm just gonna put it in there and just get her all thinned out and give it a scraping on the outside mainly. And try to get as much as I can out of these exhaust ports. Once I focus, yeah, it's not that great looking. But what do you expect for an old block? Old heads, everything. Old ass shit. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start with. Alright, so just gonna take some of this barbecue lighter fluid, just pour it all over it. Don't give a shit, soak it, you know? I'm not going to waste gas because, well, gas I can run in my car. But I can't run my car on barbecue lighter fluid. Maybe. Never know. But I'm not going to try it. I'll leave that for somebody else that does that kind of shit. Is it? Now I'll probably got to move that. Glove. There. There we go. Oh, sweet. Stand it right up. Just hopefully it doesn't move. Just soak these. Could be worse. I get that little bit there. Oh, don't fucking dip. Don't fall over. That would suck. It would make a big mess. I'm not ready for that right now. Yeah, there we go. So, jeez. All right. Step one: soak that thing. All right. So it's the next day. I'd like to keep this by my a table, so I have that weird shit right all over that valve. Like, it is thick. It almost looks like concrete, but it's some kind of thick shit. That's all on my exhaust valves. Okay? But, like, like, you can see just how, like, deep it gets. It gets thick. Really, really thick. That's the worst one. Like, I don't have a fucking clue what that would be. But, yeah, I've done a little bit of scraping. Once this thing focuses, there we go. Stupid lazy ass camera. So if anybody can tell me what the hell that could be, yeah, I'd like to know. Okay, well, you can see here, this side's got it too, just like the other one. But it's not as intense. Obviously grimy and shit, but how would you get like that much garbage on this? Like, this thing must have stayed for quite a while. That makes you wonder, like, what the hell would there be a chunk of shit like that in there? Doesn't make any sense. Yeah, the dog is drinking. I don't know if you can hear that. It's fucking loud. Can I see it in this thing? Yeah. So I tried chipping away the other one, and now it won't focus. There we go. Yeah, so I am the guy from the middle of nowhere, and hopefully when you see these heads again, see them in parts, stuff like that, most likely a video from my cousin's shop. Yeah, like, subscribe, thanks for watching, see you next time.